In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rewrite emails using DeepL Write. Whether you're polishing a quick update or refining an important message, this process will help you sound clear, professional, and on tone without starting from scratch. First, open your web browser and head to the DeepL Write page. You'll see a clean layout with two main areas. On the left is where you place the text you want to improve, and on the right is where DeepL shows its rewritten version. Think of the left side as your draft space and the right side as your upgraded result, so you can compare them at a glance. Next, paste your email draft into the left-hand text area. You can drop in anything from a short note to a longer message. If your draft includes private details, it's a good habit to be mindful about what you share. But for normal workplace notes, pasting the full text helps the tool understand context and deliver a better rewrite. Now tailor the rewrite by choosing the Style menu in the upper right-hand corner. This is where DeepL Write really shines. Pick a writing style that matches your situation. Business is best for workplace emails and keeps things polished and efficient. Simple favors clarity and plain language, which works well if your recipient prefers straightforward messages. Casual loosens the formality for friendly, everyday exchanges. Academic is more structured and formal, helpful for analytical or research-focused communication. Under the same menu, choose a tone of voice to shape the personality of your message. Friendly softens edges and makes your note approachable. Confident is direct and assured without being pushy. Diplomatic is ideal when navigating sensitive topics or mixed priorities. Enthusiastic adds energy, great for announcements or congratulations. Think about who's reading your email and what outcome you want, then mix style and tone to get the right balance. You can switch between options and instantly preview how each combination affects your message. Finally, review and refine the version on the right. Read it top to bottom to ensure your intent, facts, and any key dates are preserved. Click on any word or sentence to explore alternative suggestions, then choose the one that best fits your voice. Small tweaks, tightening a sentence, swapping a verb, or softening a phrase, can make a big difference. If something feels off, adjust your style or tone and watch the rewrite adapt. When the wording sounds natural, precise, and appropriate for your audience, you're done. That's the workflow. Navigate to DeepL Write, paste your draft, choose the right style and tone, and refine with on-page suggestions. With a few thoughtful choices, your emails will become clearer, kinder, and more effective in minutes.